Hello guys, it's me Masood Ahmed, and in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how you can install and configure Linux operating system in your machine, as Linux is compulsory for cyber security. That's why you need Linux distribution, either Debian based or any other one. So the thing is, I was thinking that we should go for Kali Linux, or we should go for Parrot Security operating system, as both of them are approximately same. So it doesn't matter, either you want to go with the Kali Linux or either you want to go with the a Parrot Security operating system. So in this case, we will go with the Parrot Security operating system. Okay, I have already configured and installed in my system, but in this case, I'm gonna shut it down. Okay, or power it off. So my system is okay. It is complete. So the thing is, we need a ISO file in order to install and configure Parrot Security operating system. And once we install and successfully configure it, after that I will teach how you can use a Linux operating system. So after that tutorial, it will help you a lot to boost your cybersecurity skills. As I have already told you that Linux is kind of compulsory for cybersecurity stuff. So what you can basically search on Google, you can just type download Parrot Security OS. Okay, here is the first page of Parrot Security operating system. You can just click on it, and literally after clicking on it, the original website parrotsec.org/download will be pop up to you. After that, you just need to click on download. In download section, they will tell you, do you want to download for VirtualBox or Apple Silicon, or for IS, you want to download the ISO file. So you can just simply click on ISO and just click download ISO and click it. Okay, I think it is already been started. Yeah. So here in the download section, you can clearly see it has been started. It is not started, but I will pause it or I will stop it. Why? Because I have already downloaded Parrot Security ISO file. Here you can clearly see. Okay, here is the file. So we have a file. I have downloaded from here. After that, what you will need to do, you will need to download and install VMware Workstation. Now you will be confused that from here we can download Workstation. You just need to go to Google and type VMware Workstation, download. Just click on it, go to the first website, and here you will be see Workstation 17 Pro for Windows, Workstation 17 for Linux. You can go with the Windows one and it will start downloading. So yeah, you will need to wait. Once the download get completed, you just need to type next. When they will ask you for a key, just keep it or get a trial version. Okay, uh, this will be better. So after that, once you successfully install VMware, window like this will be pop up, like as I have already configured some Linux machines there and Windows machine. Just ignore them. In the home section, you can clearly see create a new virtual machine. So just click on create new virtual machine, which will ask you for ISO file. Just tell them that I want to install with ISO file. I want to go with ISO. Click on it, and just in the download section, select your Parrot Security operating system that you have downloaded. Literally, just click on it and click next. Like after that, just they are want to know about the operating system, what kind of operating system you want to install. I will select Linux. In Linux, I will select Debian. Debian latest version, let's go with it. Okay, 11.x64 bit. Click next. I want to go with the, yeah, let's for now go with the C drive. Space, let's provide it 40 GB. As in my real operating system, I literally provided it 200 GB. So you can go, minimum recommendation is 20 GB. You can go up to 40 to 60 GB. It will be perfect for you. Just click on next. You can customize your hardware settings from here. Like I have 32 GB RAM, so I can select 8 GB RAM, and I have 6 processors, so I will kind of select only 2 processors. Virtualization, CPU performance, counter, just ignore it for now, and click close. Everything has been added now. Just click finish. Okay, so I already have one, and literally the second one has also been added. Let's ignore everything and click on start. Okay, it is asking me to let me full screen it. It is asking for installation. Yeah, I will click on install. Let's give a little bit wait. So yeah, it required a little bit time. Let's give it a time. No worries at all. Okay, so don't worry about the interface. It will be automatically fine once we get yeah, you can see we are almost done. Just click on install parrot. Here you can see the installation phase. After that, just click next, 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 and I want to erase the entire disk. Don't worry, it will not erase your main system disk, but the only one that you have provided, like 40 GB. So no need to worry, just go for it. It will ask you for the name, like I will say Masood. For login, I will go with Masood. Okay, the first word should not be capital. Masood. I will say that please, it should also be my own name. Okay, and for password, let's say 123. I not recommend password like this, but you can, go for it as it is your own system. So just click next, next, install now. No, this installation process will take some time. Okay, this installation will definitely take a little bit time, up to 5 to 10 minutes. Depends on your system performance and a lot of other factors involved in it. So I will pause the video. Once it closer to 90, then I will come back. Okay, so I need to stop. Okay guys, so we are literally closed. It is almost done. Yeah, it is. So let's click on done to restart the system. Our system will be restarted. After that, we can literally boot into our parent GNU Linux. Just click, just press enter. Wait a bit. So yep, our operating system has been successfully installed. Now it is booting up. It will ask us for password, which was 123, if you remember. Let's enter. Okay, like if the screen shows to you like that, just exit from the full screen mode and again click on yeah, it is done. Now just click on change the background. The appearance section will be pop up to you. I want to set up something that looks like naturally cool. Yeah, I think it is good. I think it is good. So this is how Parrot security operating system looks like. Here is your privacy section, your office section, where you can use your office tools, the internet browser, from where you can literally browse your internet. Just for example, go to google.com, you can explore the Google, and after that you can sound and video section, you have VLC player installed. Yeah, pen testing tools is also available, like information for information gathering, vulnerability assessment, web application analysis. It might include a lot of other things. And for programming, you have VS Code as well as PowerShell and other tools. Okay, so you can just look into them and play with them. In the menu, we have some rest of the tools too. You can just click on control center. Here in the control section, you can literally look for the administrative settings, hardware settings, internet and network settings. Okay, yeah. So as here we are connected wireless, we have a wired connection. Okay, so after that, like in the appearance, you can click on appearance to change the icon settings, change their look, and do a lot of stuff with them. You can just play with them. You can literally customize it. It is a kind of customization. So yeah, here in the terminal, you can clearly see we have a terminal. The first thing you will need to do is to sudo apt. Yeah, you need to log in as a sudo. For this, you just type sudo su. For password, just type 123. You can clearly see if I type who am I. I'm a root user. So you can just type apt get update. It will update everything that is required. Like, it is a latest operating system, it do not require any kind of update, but still you can go for it. And after that, you can literally go with apt get upgrade. The upgrade will took some time, as it is up to 2 GB. Upgrade archives, yeah, up to 2 GB. You can just type y and it will start working. So this was, I think, enough for this tutorial. After the next lecture, I'm gonna teach you how you can, I will basically teach you the command line of Linux. Okay, I will teach you different command about Linux, so you will be able to interact with Linux operating systems. So you will feel no problems. I'm 100% sure with it. Yeah, so it is enough. I hope you have learned how you can install and configure Linux operating system. Take care of yourself. I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.